Throughout the summer, Microsoft Teams has been rolling out incredible new features to improve and enhance video conferencing in Teams meetings, including features like that new 7x7 video grid, as well as pop-out windows for video conferences and chats, and together mode, just to name a few. If you are using the installed version of Microsoft Teams on a Windows 10 device or a Mac, make sure you go to your Teams settings in order to turn on the new Teams meeting experience to activate the latest features in Microsoft Teams meetings. Let's take a closer look how you can turn on this setting. So here I am in the installed version of Microsoft Teams on my Windows 10 device, and I'm simply going to come up to the very top of my window, and I'm going to click on my profile picture or icon, and I'm going to select Settings. Towards the bottom of this pop-out window, I'm going to find under Application the Turn on New Meeting Experience, and I'm going to make sure that I check that checkbox. Now, in order for these new settings to take effect, you not only have to close Microsoft Teams, you do have to quit the application. To do so, I'm simply going to exit out of the settings menu. I'm going to close Microsoft Teams. I haven't quit it yet. In order to quit the program, I'm going to come down to my bottom taskbar, and I'm going to right-click on Microsoft Teams app and click Quit. After a minute or two, I can go ahead and click on that Microsoft Teams icon in order to relaunch the application. Once again, please keep in mind that you will find the new meeting experience with the new features for video conferencing in the installed version of Microsoft Teams application for Windows 10 devices or for Macs.